Today we are going to start new topic, that is topic number 14, adverbs. What means adverbs we are going to see in this topic. Before this we are going to see there are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, verb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. From these 8 parts of speech, 7 parts of speech, they are for your syllabus. Up to now we have learned noun, verb, pronoun, adjective, and now we are learning adverb. You should know there are 8 parts of speech, so I have given this information. Now we will see what means adverb. Now a word that tells us more about a verb is called an adverb. What is adverb? A word that tells us more about a verb is called an adverb. If you see the word adverb, in this word only you can find the definition. In this word, verb word is there. ADVERB means which word tell more information about verb, that word is called adverb. To understand this concept, we will see some examples which are given above. First example, the wolf ran swiftly. In this sentence, which is verb? Ran. And which word describe or explain or give more information about ran? Swiftly. Is how he ran? Swiftly. So swiftly is what here? Adverb. It describes the verb, that is called ran. Second example, the child sleeps soundly. In this sentence, which is verb? Sleeps. Now about sleeps, which word give more information? Soundly. How he sleeps? Soundly. So soundly is called here adverb because it tells more information about sleeps. Next, I drank the soup hurriedly. Here which is the verb? Drank. How he drank soup? Hurriedly. It's about drank. Drank is verb. About drank, which word is telling more information? Hurriedly. So hurriedly is called here what? Adverb. The highlighted word with the red color, that is swiftly, soundly, hurriedly. These words describe the verbs. So they are called adverbs. Next, first question will solve. Rearrange the letters in brackets to form adverbs and fill in the blanks. Now here in the bracket, some letters are given that you have to rearrange and you have to form or make adverb from that, and you have to fill in the blanks. Now here answer given. First, A, tortoise move very slowly. You have to take the help of this letter and you have to find out the correct adverb. So what will come here? Slowly. Likewise, other examples, it is solved. You have to copy this answer in your book. Now next page, page number 57. On that page we are going to see the different kinds of adverb. There are different kinds of adverb like adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time and adverbs of degree. About these adverbs we are going to see information. First kind of adverb, that is adverbs of manner, that we are going to see. Here some examples are given. With the help of that example, this definition is explained, that we'll see now. First example, she writes neatly. And second example, they draw fast. In these two sentences, which is the adverb? Neatly and fast, because they tell more information. They talk more about verb. Neatly talk about writes and fast talk about draw. These two adverbs tell us how or the manner in which an action is done. In which manner the action is done. How she writes? Neatly. How she draw? Or how they draw? Fast. Means the action in which manner it is done. That is shown by word neatly and fastly. So these words are called which type? Which type of adverb? That is adverbs of manner, because they show the manner in which the action is done. Next kind of adverb, it is adverbs of place. With the above example, we'll see what means adverbs of place. Here first example we'll see the boys are seated inside. Next example, the buses are parked there. In these two sentences, inside and there, these two words are called adverbs because inside tell more about seated and there tell more about parked. And these two adverbs, inside and there, tell us where the action is taking place. Means where they were seated, inside. Where they parked their buses, there. Means where the action is taking place. that is told by these two adverbs. So these two words or adverbs, they are called which type of adverb? Adverbs of place. There are again some adverbs like outside, here, nearby. This word, this also adverbs are called which type of adverbs? Adverbs of place. Next type of adverb, it is adverbs of time. What means adverbs of time? With the help of above example, we'll see. First example, my mother spoke to me today. And next sentence, my neighbor is arriving from London tomorrow. These two sentences, today and tomorrow, these two words are called adverb. They are which type of adverb? Adverbs of time. Why? See, because these two adverbs, today and tomorrow, they tell us when the action is taking place. Is when the action is going to take place. That is told by which adverb? Today and tomorrow. So this type of adverbs are called adverbs of time. There are adverbs like late, tomorrow, yesterday. These are the type of which adverb? Adverbs of time. Next, we are going to solve question number 2. That is, underline the adverbs in the sentences and mention their kinds. Means in this given sentence, you have to underline adverbs and you have to mention the kinds of that adverb. First example, A, the buses arrived late. Now in this sentence, late is adverb and it indicates the time when bus will arrive late. So this late, it is which type of adverb? Adverb of time. Next, B, I am going to Delhi tomorrow. So tomorrow is adverb. You have to underline tomorrow and it is which type of adverb? Adverb of time because it's telling time. When I am going to Delhi tomorrow. Means tomorrow indicate time. So it is which type of adverb? Adverb of time. Next, C, yesterday we went for a picnic. Yesterday it is adverb. Which type of adverb? Adverb of time. Next, D, she wrote the letter carefully. How she wrote letter? Carefully. Means carefully show the manner. So it is which type of adverb? Adverb of manner. Next, E, the crowd shouted loudly. In this sentence, loudly is what? Adverb. And it is which type of adverb? Adverb of manner. Next, F, the girl danced elegantly. Now, elegantly means what? Gracefully, in stylish manner. Now, how this girl dance elegantly? Means the manner, in which manner she dance? Elegantly. So, elegantly it is the which type of adverb? Adverb of manner. Next, we sat outside. Now, outside, this is adverb. You have to underline adverbs in these sentences. And after you have to mention their kinds. And this outside, it is which type of adverb? Adverb of place. H, please come here. Here, this is the adverb and it indicate what? Place. Please come here. It shows place. So it is which type of adverb? Adverb of place. I, the studio is nearby. Now nearby is adverb. You have to underline and it is which type of adverb? Adverb of place. Last one, J, the lady spoke softly. Now how she spoke? Softly. In which manner? Softly. So which is adverb? Softly. And it is which type of adverb? Adverb of manner. Today's homework, you have to read page number 56 and 57 and you have to complete question number 1 and question number 2 with the help of answers which are given in video. Thank you.